If you go after the best player, that's what happens.
Huh.
3-1-0.
Hit. Don't forget to turn your flashlight on.
Yeah, that shit was so fucking.
Some guy was recording me, by the way. He looked like you. What are you doing?
He's probably never seen people have fun before.
Oh, yeah, he's What score? Is it
Apparently,
1-1?
he's never had fun.
He still has 0?
Yes. Now it is.
Now he won.
You have 1 now. No,
Thanks,
you
sir.
made it.
I made it in here.
Okay, so.
What a choke.
What a choker. Yours. 3-1-1, right?
No.
Make it 3. Make it.
Danny has 2.
3-2-1. Oh wait, yes,
So
you have
3-3-1.
Yeah, 3-3-1.
Yeah, let's smoke this fucking.
I'm winning, by the way. Make sure you have that on video. Thank you.
Winning, and he made 1 shot this whole game.
That speaks poorly for everybody else, though.
Exactly. I don't need to make it.
It's me and Danny are the better players, bro. Like this, come on.
Ooh, close.
So much. I think it's the bike that's doing it. Everybody is choking.
They're just fucking
He's
terrible.
barely. Danny's barely hitting the rim.
Alright, Steve Airballs.
There you go.
Swoosh. Data
Number 1.
recovery with the
Hey,
win.
Hey, number 1.
Data recovery 2. Board repair 0. Shipping 0.
Watch this.
Okay,
Jesus.
you're out. Shipping went home. 3-1.
Board repair versus data recovery.
Shut your bitch ass.
Oh.
4-1. 4-1.
What a break.
Can you replace the T1 chip?
I think Touch ID is in T1 chip. I think. What model? 1707. Yeah.
Wow, oh my god.
Whoa.
He splashed that. Okay.
Board repair catches up. That was a
4-1,
swoosh.
4-1. That was a swoosh. I can't airball.
Choke. Ah.
14 of a lifetime. 14 he knows I win these.
Yes.
Oh.
Champion.
He won by literally not.
One by default.
What do you mean?
By just
That,
hitting.
that says something about you guys.
How many did you make this game?
Enough to beat you.
How much is that?
3.
No. Got your ass.
Yo, who won?
I won,
Hey.
of course.
Loser should have to fix my bike.
Oh, that's a beautiful suggestion. Danny.
Yes.
Louis said loser has to fix his bike, so.
There's 2 losers though.
Oh, that's a good one.
Why does he have a gun in his back pocket?
I don't know.
Alright.